when you go to the the website of the university, Ali, so this is University of Windsor. Okay, then you go to menu, engineering.
Yeah.
I'm just showing you one example for one university. Okay, then
Yes.
then you can follow up with any
Yes.
universities. So once you are in the engineering website, you can see there are many options about engineering departments, undergrad, graduate, research, current students and all. Okay, so
Yes.
we have to go to graduate. Okay, because this is postgraduate, so all masters program, PhD program will be under graduate. Okay, all undergraduate program
Yes.
will be under undergraduate. Departments means there are different departments. Okay,
Yes.
so now you can see Master of Engineering program. If you click on Master of Engineering, it will open up for Master of Engineering. So Master of Engineering is offers two master level engineering program, Master of Engineering and Master of Applied Science. There are two programs here now.
Yes.
So usually in Canada, there will be two options. Also in Australia also, either Master of Engineering, MEng they say, or MSc, that is Master of Applied Science. So it is a course-based program designed for working professional or recent graduates, undergraduate, who want to increase their knowledge in their advanced topic. Okay. Program transfer also possible. Full-time student must complete this program in 3 to 5 semester. Okay, that is between 1.5 to 2.5 year.
Yes.
The focus your Master of Engineering, Master of MEng degree in following areas. So you can get any within this following area, either in electrical and computer engineering. So if you are doing for Master of Engineering, you will get the degree of Master in electrical and computer engineering, something like that.
Yes.
So you can see here on the left side, they have everything: admission, program requirement, what is the requirement. If you click here, everything will be here. So undergraduate degree in engineering with at least 70% average over the last 4 years, you see.
Yes.
So international students are advised to refer to the specified minimum admission requirement listed by country at the Faculty of Engineering Professional Engineering website at this. So you have to check here now on this website whether you are eligible or not.
Yeah.
Okay, so in order to be eligible, you cannot have more than 3 failures, backlogs in your 4-year undergrad degree. If you have graduated from a degree in India, see specifically, please provide our office with the backlog certificates or individual mark sheets. So you see, if we have backlog in the first year or second year or third year, then usually when we pass these backlogs, we get a new transcript, new results.
Yes.
In that new results, all are pass. Actually, usually when we pass all the exam, it is written pass. So that's why they have put here special things for India, that you have to also provide the fail results.
Yes.
And this must be from the letterhead from your university in India, and should list the course name, semester taken, number of times the course was repeated before it was passed.
Yeah.
It is very strict. We will not be able to complete the evaluation of your application until this document is received. And they will need CV, resume, and whose native language is not English, they have to take either TOEFL or IELTS. So this is the major requirement.
Yeah.
You got my point?
Yes, I got.
And these are admission requirement. You see, admission average, minimum admission average, and they have also given by country wise.
Yeah. How can I know the in program which subjects can be covered?
Oh,
It is
in order to check the what are the course, what is the syllabus or course, maybe. So everything is here, huh? Application procedure, how to do. You can click here. You can now fill online. I think most of the things you see. So you have to fill up all these things.
yes, yes.
Why Windsor Co-op apply to residents, current, future students. So you are future students. So you have to click on future students, and you will get all the information about. Uh, so if you fill up this, they will send you all the brochure and blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Okay. So now, if you want to go, so you understood the how to see the Master of
Yes,
Engineering.
yeah. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Understood.
So you got,
Now,
yeah.
sorry, sir.
So this is done. So now, if you
Yeah.
go to department now,
Yeah.
in department, go to
Electrical and computer.
electrical and computer engineering.
Yes.
Maybe they have, maybe they have included there
Computer also, right?
computer. No, no. I mean, specification of the course means what is the syllabus and maybe all the requirements.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when you come to the respective department website, also they have put here graduate program. You see.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you click on that graduate program again. So now you will go that specifically you will go to this electrical and computer engineering course.
Yes.
Okay. So you can click
Mm.
here and see whether Master of Engineering. Oh, it comes to the same website. It
Yeah.
means that they don't have. For more information, please contact this application procedure. Okay, it goes directly here.
Yes. Program.
It means they don't have for MN English, please visit MN's website. Okay, if you need more information on how the syllabus and all, you can also contact this Arizu Imadi.
Arizu Nadi.
Yeah, you can contact them, take an appointment, and then you can talk. I mean, you can talk to them that okay, what would be the what is the course all about and all these things. Huh?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, Ali, you got this?
Yes. Yes. I got. I got.
Yeah,
Uh,
perfect. Now,
Now you can how to find a university with preference wise. He
Okay.
told me which website I.
Now QS World Ranking, you go to this website, QS World Ranking, okay? World University Ranking, top global university. If you go here,
Yes.
okay.
Hmm.
So these are all the top universities.
Hmm.
So you can check by location.
Yeah.
You can put Canada. So now you are interested in Canada, na? So you can just put
Yes. Yes. Right.
Canada. I don't know why.
Right, I think so. First, we can select. We select region.
There are two websites. Times Higher Education also is there.
Yes.
I don't know why this.
Hmm. Show me university for overall शायद Indian country.
Hmm? Usually this should work here.
Yes.
Now this is working.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you search Canada, you can see that
Hmm.
all the Canadian universities ranking will come. So the number one. So actually, University of Toronto is 25th in the world, but number one in
Yeah.
Canada.
Canada, right?
Okay, then McGill, University of British Columbia. This all university has a very high, what we call as eligibility. You should have very high marks. Okay, Montreal, McMaster,
Yes. Yes.
so Waterloo, Western University, Queens, Calgary. Okay,
Yes. Yes.
so I was thinking that I was telling that you can also even try Calgary because one Danish also has gone to.
Calgary.
So this is 246 number in the world. So still it is okay.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, and then Ottawa, Dalhousie, I was mentioning, Dalhousie University.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that is also good. University of Victoria, Saskatchewan,
Hmm.
yeah,
It's got it.
Concordia, York University. Gulf, Carleton University,
Yes.
Quebec, Manitoba, Memorial University of Newfoundland. Also, many are there. So Windsor is 750 rank. You see in the world.
Oh,
Hmm.
50.
Yeah. Ryerson also
University.
is there in Toronto.
Yeah, Ryerson.
Hmm.
I think the Toronto is the best place to get job after completion of MS, right?
Not guarantee.
Easy.
There is no guarantee. Job in Canada is not guaranteed. Depends on your takdir. Uh,
Yeah.
yeah, it depends on your takdir. Because the Canadian, those who are born in Canada, they
Mhm.
they also don't have job sometime.
Then
Because
after completion of MS, what what about job?
after completing your masters, also after completing your PhD, also there is no guarantee of job that you will get job in your field, engineering. There is no guarantee in Canada and Australia. Because in Canada, Australia, those people who do PhD also, doctor, those who are MBBS doctor also, they drive taxi trucks, they work on petrol station,
Oh,
security guard, anything. Because jobs in that particular field of engineering are very competitive in Canada and Australia. That you have to understand.
acha, acha.
Yeah. So
And
it's not
what about Malaysia?
Malaysia. They stopped taking in. They stopped giving jobs to international. No jobs for international.
No one can job. No one can job after MS in Malaysia.
MS you can do jobs. Jobs are available, but immigration they don't give visa.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nowadays, because many local people here in Malaysia, local Malaysians, they don't have jobs.
Yeah.
Similarly,
Yeah. Correct.
In Canada, when you apply for the job, they will first give preference to Canadian and permanent residents only.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, they will not give jobs. They will not give preference to outside Canada.
Correct. Correct. University of Calgary is I think open. The website is.
So if you go to University of Calgary and
Calgary.
then you can see here graduate program.
Yes. Yes. Graduate program. View all graduate programs.
Hmm. So you understood how to check the ranking of the universities?
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Got.
Yeah. So this is one way. Another way is to check. I will show you. So this is Faculty of Graduate Studies. Now, future student. Future students means the one we are applying.
Yeah.
International students, if you see.
Yeah. Yeah. See.
So they have given all the things here. How so international admission requirement. What are the requirements here?
Yeah.
So you will get all the information here about thing. Now, what are explore programs?
Understood. Yes. Yes.
So what are programs available is explore programs here. Now we have to
Yeah. I see.
explore the programs. What type of programs are available? So
Yeah.
faculties, engineering. School of Engineering, degree level, diploma, doctor, masters.
Completion type.
Now here are Master of Arts and everything is here.
Yeah.
Completion type, course base.
Course business.
So filter program. If you filter, then all the Master of Engineering Chemical
Electrical
course,
computer.
Civil, Electrical and Computer Engineering, you see. Then there is a
Yes.
Master in Software.
Software. Yeah.
So you can click here, Master of Engineering, Electrical and Computer. Your is electrical, isn't it?
Yes. Yes. Electrical engineering.
Then everything is written here.
Yeah.
Specialization is here, you see. Either you specialize in energy and environment or environmental engineering.
Yes.
Now admission requirement is this, all GPA. So minimum of 3 GPA on a 4 point.
Yes.
So IELTS they need 6.5. Yeah?
Yes. Yes.
With no section less than 6. In all the section you should have 6 pointer and above.
Yeah.
So international requirements are different. I'm trying to find the course structure. What is the course
Yeah.
structure actually?
Yes. Yes. Same. Same.
Okay.
Finally.
Here,
Yeah.
here is the sample of subjects. These are the courses. You see, Ali.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yes.
You see, virtual
Virtual.
environment, data mining, machine learning, intelligence control, advanced power system. So you can choose from these subjects, Ali. In
Yes. Yes.
graduate, usually you have to choose any 10 courses to complete.
Yeah.
Complete list of the graduate courses. So you can even see the complete list here.
Mm.
I will send you this in the chat box so that you can.
Yes.
You in the Zoom there is a chat box, Ali.
Yeah. Yeah. I got it. I got it.
Ali, I have sent you the link.
Yes, yes, I got.
But these are the course. You got
Yeah.
the point?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So you can even contact the program coordinator if you want. They can even give you
Yeah,
the
yeah,
course structure also.
yeah.
Okay. So I think they have
Okay.
specialization in energy and environment and what we call it software engineering.
Yes,
So depending on that, they will give you the degree.
yes.
Yeah,
So
you
is
can
there
even.
any
Huh?
placement facilities available after completion after MS placement?
Placement, I'm not sure. You have to read this. Maybe it's available or not. Okay, you can even contact the advisor if you need for more information here. Email a program advisor. Okay,
Yes, yeah, okay.
and you can take more information on that. So this is how basically we search the program or specific
Only.
program.
Yes.
I don't know why these. So usually I try to search like this. What we call as Ali
Yeah, yeah. QS ranking, right?
QS ranking. So usually I go to 4 to 500 university.
Yeah,
York University is there. City of Gulf is there. Carleton is there.
yeah.
It's very weird that this times education is not working.
Yeah.
Or maybe because they are asking for registration.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I'm already registered.
Yeah.
Hmm. Another way to search is directly master of. You want to do master in electrical engineering or power engineering?
Power engineering is the my interest of power
Sorry,
engineering. Power
power.
engineering is my interest.
Now it got.
Yeah.
You have to register. It's free actually. You can just
Hmm.
register. So here if you put see Canada in Times Higher Education also, then it will
Yeah.
give you the university also. Here Calgary is 200, Waterloo, Dalhousie, Simon Fraser, Carleton, Memorial, Concordia, Lakewood, Ryerson. Same like more or less same like uh, yeah. I was working
Yeah.
in this university, University of New Brunswick.
New Brunswick.
Uh,
So still you have a contact in this university?
uh, the professor whom I was working actually he's still there, but he is in mechanical engineering. But in electrical, I don't have contact. Maybe no, not now.
Yes.
Okay, so this is one way. Uh, other way is we can go by subject here,
Yeah.
Ali. So in
Yes. Yes. Yes.
subject, if you see there is any engineering, you see chemical, civil
Yeah.
engineering,
Electrical.
communication, electrical and electronic engineering.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so we can go by
Sub-
electrical and electronic engineering. Okay, now if I
Yeah.
click electrical and electronic engineering, now this website will sort all the universities those who have electrical and electronic engineering
Electronic engineering.
according to the uh, what we call as according to the rank.
According
Okay,
to rank. And
but
countries.
this is for whole world.
Yeah.
But if I need
Yeah. Yeah.
specifically in Canada, then I can search in Canada also. Okay,
Yes.
so I need Canada in Canada, which universities has electrical and electronic engineering. So these are the
Yes.
universities. You see,
Yes. Yes.
uh, Western Dalhousie. I think Dalhousie also has electrical engineering. Dalhousie is also good university. I went there, Nova Scotia.
Yes. That also.
Mm. It's private university, but it's good.
Yes. Yes. So its a fees is high too high, right?
Sorry,
Fees is too high, right? Private university.
um,
Fees.
fees. I am not sure. Huh? Maybe you have to check. You have to compare.
Yes. Yes.
Last time I had one lecturer who I know in Dalhousie University in computer engineering, but I think he left from there. He left. I don't know where he went.
Yeah. Is a tuition fees and cost. Explore. Right side में है.
Sorry.
वहाँ पे एक ट्यूशन फीस एंड कॉस्ट वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ था नीचे
Yeah.
नीचे साइड में.
But we have to go first to the academic program,
Yeah.
or maybe sorry, we can go to faculties first. We can go to directly to electrical engineering, and then we can see from there.
Yeah.
So in most of the
ठीक है.
university you see in Canada, the electrical and computer are together.
Both. Yeah. Both together.
It's not like India.
Yeah.
So program you see graduate program they have.
Yes. Yes.
So degrees offered as Master of Engineering, same.
Project based and requires the student.
Yeah. So you can complete in 1 year also. Huh? If you are fast enough, you can complete in 1 year also. That is good,
Oh,
Ali.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, you can complete.
But how?
You see,
But
12
how
months.
it is possible to?
So you have
Yeah,
seven courses
12.
to complete. You see, you have to complete only 7 courses. So you can take
Yeah,
4 course in first semester. Last semester. So 2 semester you can complete. So first semester you can take
yeah, yeah,
4 course. Next semester you can take 3 course.
yeah, yeah. Correct, correct.
And when you take 3 course in the second semester, you can also take final project. Usually, some of the students they do like this to save the cost. Hmm.
Yeah, yeah, correct.
Yeah. So by this way, you can save the cost also.
Yeah,
However,
yeah.
there is one problem. If you want to come back to India, they don't accept 12 months, I think 1 year master's degree. So that is a problem.
Yeah, 12 months are not acceptable in India.
No, 2 years.
2 years.
Yeah. But I'm not sure whether now what they have changed it or not. So admission requirement, you see.
Yeah, yeah.
But they have not given the course structure here.
Same, uh, same procedure as India, like theory, assignments, and all. What is the
Yes, yes. You have to
how?
go like subject wise, and you have to. There is sometime practical also, tutorials, assignments.
Heard somewhere, it's the only I heard somewhere. There is no exam, but only submit assignments, seminar, and PPT, etc., etc.
Sorry.
Heard somewhere is not there in any exam. You can complete assignments and seminar only. There is no exam there.
Yeah, yeah. In some of the course, not all courses.
What about MS?
MS depends because MS is, I think, by research base.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm not sure. Huh? So MS, the degree program is research or thesis based. So
Yes,
yeah, so you don't have to give any exam or something like that. You have to complete the research project
yes, yes. In particular
in a
topic.
very particular field or topic. So for graduate admission, you have to check this website.
Yes, yes.
Admission requirement, all this thing, you can find it here.
I got some message. Abdul Khalid Bhai sent me related to Canada immigration. It is a scientist Farzan Hussain Education Welfare Foundation Canada is dedicated to work for betterment of society as whole. It's a long message. They helping us,
Yeah, this
Muslim
message
students.
I got few times also. It's actually forwarding everywhere.
Yeah, I mailed to that mail ID.
Okay, so this is the way actually you can search the what we call as program. And if you want to go particularly in power engineering,
Yes.
then University of Alberta is there.
Yes.
That gives in power engineering.
Yes. Yes. Power.
Actually, usually what I used to do is I just used to go directly, chat with them, apply directly. So um, no problem at all, you know.
Yes.
Mm. So tuition fees and application for admission, everything you can find it here. And electrical and computer engineering is here. It's a course-based exam, course work.
Yes.
So some of them they have given the course syllabus, and many of them you cannot find it. So that is the problem. So this is Master of Engineering uh,
Yes.
in Alberta. And see, they have not given the full uh, course actually. Okay, so maybe you can. So like this, usually I explore, you know, the course.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. I got. All points.
You got it?
Yes. Got it. Got it.
Yeah. So I go and then try to search, try to see the what are the admission requirement, all these things, uh, uh, how much
Yes. Yes.
IIT score is needed, transcript, degrees. You know, there are some, and they have also specified for India what they need and all these things. So I have to gather all that documents, and then
Yeah.
you can even apply directly online also, so no problem. And if there is anything they need, they will contact you, they will ask you, okay, they need this letter, that letter, you can just provide them and just email them the things. And
Yeah.
if they will evaluate in the graduate committee, if you are eligible and you can apply, they will give you the admission offer letter. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
So usually it's very straightforward. So even you don't need to you don't need to worry about all these things. Nowadays they are very straightforward. Some of them they are very good in replying and all these things.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
Yes, yes, got it.
okay, okay, Ali. And
Yeah. Thank you for giving me the valuable time.
no, no, no problem, Ali. Okay,
Yeah,
Ali.
okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
assalamu
Allah Hafiz.
alaikum. Allah.
Allah.